Did he do some tricks?
Oh, well, let's watch him. We're in downtown Portland.
Yes, what he did was he did this. He like took his bike
Yeah.
and he was riding this way and then
Jake, get out of there!
he was like this
Uh-huh.
on his bike.
Wow.
And then he went backwards all the way and then came the stairs.
Down backwards? Cool.
That on his bike.
On his bike?
Over there.
Over there? I know. I know.
Yeah, when she had her birthday, someone said, "Oh, she's turning 9." I said, "No, she's turning 8." And they're like, "No, she's turning 9." I said,
Hello,
"No,
you
she's
think
really
I'd
turning
know?
8." You know, I think I know when my kid was born. Oh, that's so cool. I'm going to get the fire department right there. Right across from this pool. I mean, this, could you imagine?
You gotta get the fire department.
All day. Hey, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing? You got your butt.
I know, it's a big one. Takes up the whole screen.
Are you smacking him?
We have 2 people that are stationed now at Myrtle Beach.
Oh, wow.
At the fire station. In the front, they walk out and, they're on the street.
Yeah.
On the back side of their base, 1 step, they're in the street.
Oh
my gosh!
Watch out!